Hello Windows Universe, Michael here coming at you with another video that is sure to make you the lord of your digital world. System interrupts. What is that? Why am I seeing it? And what can I do about it? In this video we are going to look at the system interrupt process as well as some steps that you can take when you see it. And don't worry, just as always, we will link an article in the description that will give you more information about the subject. Now, the first thing you need to know is that the system interrupt process is an OS process located in the System32 folder. If you are seeing it located there, it's not malware and you can breathe easy. Now, if it is located elsewhere, then I strongly recommend running your antivirus software. The system interrupt is a sort of an alert system for the CPU. If a scenario arises that needs the CPU's attention, then the SI alerts the CPU. The CPU suspends what it is doing, saves it, then takes care of that alert, and then goes back amongst its business. Now, it stands to reason that this will happen from time to time, and for the most part, you will never notice it. It's when you have the system interrupt taking up more than 5 to 10% of the CPU that you have problems. Now, before I go any further, never, ever think about disabling the system interrupts. Your PC will become less than useless without it. Now, if it happens, the easiest first fix is to restart the computer and see if the problem corrects itself. Sometimes the CPU gets overwhelmed and it needs a coffee break. See if that helps. If the CPU has a high usage again, there are other things to try. Now, as many other problems that arise, an outdated driver can cause a host of problems. And some of those problems can overwhelm the CPU. So, let's go into settings, then go into update and security. Now, check and see if there are any driver-related updates pending. If so, update them all. And if the problem started after a recent driver update, you should consider rolling back a driver update to a previous version. Now, you should also look at external hardware. We seem to always forget that things like the keyboard and the mouse and the webcam can cause problems. So open the task manager and then unplug and plug in external devices one by one and see if there's a huge change in the system interrupt or CPU usage after removing a particular hardware. Then, if that happens, you may have found your culprit. Now, if you do not want to unplug them, you can choose to disable the hardware from the device manager. You can also disable internal hardware this way as well. Just disable one device at a time and wait a minute or two to see if there's a change in CPU usage. Just make sure not to disable any necessary drives. Now, then there is the option of updating your system's BIOS. This can be done by going to your OEM Systems website and following the steps there. Now, have you encountered the system interrupts problem? How did you fix it? Let us know in the comments below. And for this and thousands of others of fix, tips, tricks, hacks, and the latest news on Windows, go to thewindowsclub.com. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. We are always releasing new content to make your digital world just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.